Hey guys, it's me, Joshua, and welcome back to Joshua Extra. And today we are going on the North Norfolk Railway. So, train's in the station, so we're gonna get on it now, and I'll film the next clip when we're going along. So, guys, we are on the train. As you can see, this is the carriage we're in. It's got like tables and blue seats. And if I walk through, you can actually go straight through to the other carriage. I'm not sitting there. The train goes in about half an hour's time, so I have quite a lot of time. This is the middle section. So I walk through here. See, tables here. Yeah, I've got some spiders up because, of course, it was Halloween yesterday. Yeah, last year I went on the ghost train thing here. Yeah, last year I went on the ghost train thing here. So if you want to see video from that, go check that out on my main channel, where I went on here with all these decorations up, and when they had this like scare maze bit, and I thought that was really good actually. I left a raving review on TripAdvisor for it, so check that out. I'm going to go in a minute and I'll get some clips on the journey. See you in a sec. Right, I'm on the train now. See if I fix it out the window. Just got some shots for you guys over to the golf course over there. With steam blowing through. That squeaky noise is the carriage. I'm just standing by the door so I can, get some good shots and seek out where I can get good shots. So yeah, I'll put some more in. Maybe with some music and that, I'll see. Little railway thing over there. I went on that last year when I came on the railway. So check out that vlog on my main channel. There'll be a link in the card here if you want to see that. Stopping right there. At Holt. So guys, we have stopped off at Holt. The train is just turning around now. Got some shots at the front of it there. Yeah, so just waiting for it to connect back up, and then we're gonna get back on. I think some shots on the way back to Sheringham. Just film it connecting up now for you guys to see. Guys, it's now connected up. You can see from that footage, and we're going to get back on our carriage where we've left all our stuff. We don't want to leave it on the train if we're not on it, because then it can detonate, and that will not be good. My stuff's expensive, you don't want to lose it. Some people getting on at Telling Heath here. It's the request stop. Using request to get on here, it doesn't normally stop though. It does technically have 4 stops if you include the request one, but 3 regular ones. When it's got on now, it's going to start on the set. Off we go. There we go. So we've just got on from that platform there. just hauled in over there. Quite sure why. Maybe in for repair or something going to be used soon. Interesting. So guys, I'm going to upload like a time lapse of the journey to Hull and back from my main channel, and also get some more clips for this video as well. So yeah, once that video, that will probably come before the Friday night's video. I'll probably look at that really quick tonight and put that up. Let's see on my main channel, which will be linked in the description of this video. Yeah, so enjoy. And I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, I have just filmed that time lapse for my main channel. So not to do it for the way back because the same stuff really, so not really much point. And now we're going to get a chocolate bar from the cafe over here. And then we'll probably just get back on again and then go back and forth. There's only 4 trains today, so we'll probably finish at like 1 or 2. And then I will go back. Had a good day so far actually. Yeah, nice and relaxing. And I hope you guys have had a good time watching this video so far, and just leave your feedback in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, want to see more videos like the one before it, just let me know. I'm open to your suggestions. So, nice red telephone box there. Just gonna, why not go in? Oh, that's a shame. I'm just gonna go in. Station is, sorry, there's signs in here. Got a chocolate bar and a hot chocolate one we're having a sec. Sharing badge. And now we're going to get back on because I was going to miss it. Can register as well. Nice. That's my train. My chocolate. Something cut. That's good. Yeah. Just relax on the train. So guys, we've changed into this carriage now, instead of what we were in before, because it's more comfortable. By this door, connecting the door, get out over here, walk along here, go back in, shut the door. It's nice. Guys, you have these compartments down there. Walk through. Walk in there and just tell them to no. Yeah. That was nice service. Oh, they fire like that. station. So guys, the train's detaching now. I didn't film on that going back to Sheringham. I'm going to film on the last bit now, going to Holt, and that's the last train of the day. Yeah. Had a good day. It'd be nice if there was one running around the other line, because I could get some good footage of that, but it is what it is. It's just going back now. It's going to fast, now it's going to go down this line and connect up at the end. Just wait for it to line itself up, and now it's going to go through. See when it's time. I'm in for a lot of water now. So this is going for the hose. Everything's showing. Final time today on the train.
This one says S on it. He got that one Francis.
Guys, going out with Wayborn now. Got a Dr. Pepper. Not sponsored. I wish it was though. That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, there is.
To Holt for the final time today. My feet are roasting. Like this heater is like boiling. I think it's like part of the train, but still. Yeah, fun time. I'll get up and get some footage from the side for I need to halt a bit. See you then. Stuff. Peter stopped at Cunningham. Back at the train. Interesting. Just like wearing hands, don't film that.
It fell from somewhere on high behind me.
Just got off the last train there, making my way out the platform outside the Miniats and got off the train. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.